Welcome back to another edition of Power Tips. Today, Kylie and I are here to talk about Dynamics 365 for customer insights journeys, formerly known as Dynamics for marketing. So, Kylie, what are you excited to see in the release wave for marketing?
Yeah, I've called out a few features here. So first of all, we got to talk about Copilot, right? Copilot's everywhere, and we have Copilot now for building out your campaigns. So you can see we start from nothing and we can just use natural language to build out our campaign. This will help us with asset management, help us make sure our content is on brand, suggesting the audience, and so many other things. It's also going to allow you to generate documentation for those campaigns that you can export and use. So that's super exciting. Next one is something that my users are always asking for with any marketing solution, right? You always want to see copies of the email that was sent in the timeline. And this is something I think we've seen different versions of it in the release waves for a while, or different things where you could view these messages somewhere, or there's a link, but now you'll be able to actually see copies of the exact message that was sent in that timeline for your accounts, contacts, or leads, whoever. So that's really great and something that I'm excited about. Heidi, what do you think of these things?
I really like the ability to see in line on your timeline what email was sent. I know like you said, it's a high demand thing. If I work in customer service, I probably want to see the offer that the customer was given
Right.
so I can better triage the case. Or in sales, I want to see which AB version of the collateral they received. So
Hmm.
very cool updates. And Copilot, of course, is a great way to streamline the whole process. To create that campaign from soup to nuts, I mean, it's a lot of different screens, it's a lot of different things to configure. I like that it gives you a head start. Of course, with everything in Copilot, check it before you just say, yes, this is what I want to do.
Copilot, not autopilot, but a great way to begin,
Exactly.
especially for people like me who are not familiar with the process.
Hmm. Awesome. So I highlighted two things that I was excited to see. Number one is send scheduling. So there's a screenshot of this on this slide here, so you can see what it's going to look like. But you can set a preferred day of the week, start time, and end time. So I really like this because if you're outside of that message send time when someone enters a journey, it's going to hold it until it reaches it. Moreover, this also respects quiet time that you might have set and frequency caps. So I really, really like the send scheduling. I think it's another way to make sure that your people get the message in the time that they should get it when we predict they're most likely to respond to it. So this one is public preview for April, so that's coming soon, and general availability currently set for July. The other one, far overdue. This is just bringing real-time marketing in parity with our older version of outbound marketing. So you can now use A/B testing in real-time marketing. Again, I think this is one of those things that's far overdue. It's going straight to general availability in April. So what do you think, Kylie? You like these two things?
Yes, I do. I especially like your send scheduling that you're talking about because, you spend all this time crafting these emails. You might as well make sure that they go at the time that they'll be the most effective. So, yeah, I think that that'll be really good, especially when you combine it with all the other features. So, lots of things just to make those emails be the most impactful that they can be. Yeah. Anything else that caught your eye while you were looking at the release notes? Um, I think that the other one that I called out or noticed was around testing. There's like testing in your non-production system and additional improvements there. So lots of cool things. Yeah, we encourage you guys to make sure you're checking out the release notes. Let us know down in the comments what else you want to hear about, and let us know what topic we should focus on next. Thanks everyone for joining us. Have a great day.